In this video, I will show you how to set up your Sony Google TV for the first time step by step. So once you turn on the TV, you'll be presented with this page, and what you just want to do is to go ahead and select your language over here. I'll just go ahead and select the English UK, so just go ahead and select any language you prefer. Now you want to go ahead and select your region and country, and in my case, I'll just scroll down and look for Ghana, which is basically my country. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and choose whether you want to set up the Google TV or the basic TV. If you set up the basic TV, then you only have live TV and external devices that are connected to the TV to use. But if you go ahead to set up the Google TV, then you have the option to download apps from the Google Play Store, obviously, and you also have lots of apps that comes with the TV as well. So just go ahead and select set up Google TV, just like so. And now you'll be presented with this setup page. Now you have to choose whether you're setting up the Google TV with your phone or by using your remote control. If you go ahead to select the remote control method, which is basically at the bottom over here, then you will have to log into your Gmail account on the TV by typing the Gmail and typing the password. So this is basically a more longer process. If you choose the other option, which is basically to set up the Google TV using your phone, all you just have to do is to scan the QR code over here with the Google Home app and you're good to go. And for the purpose of this video, we'll be setting up using our phone. So basically, you want to go ahead and bring out your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, then head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then go ahead and download and install this Google Home app into your phone. Once the Google Home app is downloaded and installed, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. And if you're using this app for the first time, you actually will have to set it up with your Gmail account. So just go over here and click on Get Started, and then click on Next. Now click on Allow, and then go ahead and select your Gmail account to set up the device if you have more than one Gmail account on your phone. Now click on Next, and then click on Allow. Now click on Next as well, and then go ahead and click on Why using this app. Now once the whole setup process is done, you'll be presented with this page, and basically what you just want to do is to come over to the Devices tab at the bottom over here, and then from here you just want to go ahead and click on Add Device, just like so. Now go ahead and select the kind of device you're adding. In this case, since we are adding our Google TV, you just want to go ahead and select Google Nest or partner devices. Now go ahead and select the home. In this case, I will just select my name and my home, then click on Next. Now it will start to look for available devices it can actually connect to. Just go ahead and give it a minute or two. And at this point, it was able to find my Google TV. So just go ahead and click on Yes to continue. Now you want to go ahead and scan the QR code over here by just clicking on Scan Code, and then click on Allow while using this app. Now go ahead and scan the QR code on your TV, just like so. And once the QR code is scanned, your Google TV will automatically be set up on Google TV. Now you want to come back to your Google Home app and then just go ahead and click on Accept. Now go ahead and select where this device is in your home. Since this is my living room TV, I'll just go ahead and select living room and then click on Next. Now you can also go ahead and give it a unique name. In this case, it is living room TV 2 because I already have another living room TV. So just go ahead and click on Next. And at this point, you can proceed to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So I'll just go ahead and select the name of my Wi-Fi over here, then click on Continue, and then go ahead and enter your password. I have already entered my password previously on this phone, and that is why it already has the password. So I'll just go ahead and click on Next. Now once it is connected, you just want to go ahead and click on the Continue button at the bottom over here to continue with the setup process. At this point, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on Next. Now go ahead and enter your password if your phone actually has one. And now your Google account is now signing in from your phone to the TV. Now just scroll down and then click on Accept, and then click on Continue, click on Allow. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on Continue, click on Allow. Now you can go ahead and test the Google Voice Assistant, or you can just skip this for later. So click on No Thanks and click on Yes, I am sure. Now for the ambient mode, you just want to make sure that you leave this to Not Now, and then just go ahead and click on Continue. Now click on Done to finish up the setup process, and automatically, as you can see, your Sony Bravia Smart TV has been properly set up. Now you want to go ahead and complete the setup process on your TV by just clicking on the OK button. Now scroll down until you get to the bottom over here. and then just click on agree all, then click on proceed. Now go ahead and enter your parental lock by just entering any simple code. In my case, I'll just go with 1234. Now if you have like your channels you want to connect to your TV, maybe using a cable or a satellite, you can go ahead and select that method and then connect it to the TV. But if you do not have that, just go down and click on skip. You can just skip this by clicking on connect later. I'll select whether you're mounting it on the TV console or on the wall. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select table. This actually helps to optimize the sound of the TV. I'll go ahead and skip this and then just go ahead and click on complete. Now it is automatically downloading the default apps of the TV, and just like so, you now have your Sony Bravia Google TV set up. So basically this is how the interface looks like, and you can go ahead and download and install your apps, and even go ahead to start streaming your favorite shows from your favorite applications on the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.